Hello students, as we have already completed 2 lessons in SST, one from history and one from civics, and I hope you must be revising those 2 lessons and completing your work in your copy as well. If you are not doing so, please do it and start learning those 2 lessons. Fine. Now today we are going to begin with the first lesson of geography, that is the Earth and the solar system. Now over here you could see a picture which shows the sun and various planets. Fine. Now I have not mentioned the name of these planets. Why? Because we are going to study about them in the particular lesson only. So I have just shown you the picture how our solar system looks like. Now today in this particular video we are going to study 2 topics, that is the sun and the stars, and the next one is the universe. So to begin with it, we will first start with the sun and the stars. Now, as you all know, sun is also a star and it is similar to the different other stars, but we could see it easily in the bigger form as compared to the other stars. Other stars, you just see them as a dot in the sky. Fine. But sun, you could easily view that from the earth itself. Fine. So why is it so? Because the sun is closer to the earth's surface on which we are living. Earth is one of the planet of the solar system. That, right? You must be knowing that. So we live on earth, and the sun, which is also a star, it is closer to the earth's surface as compared to the other stars. That is why the light of the sun reaches earlier as compared to the other stars. It reaches to the earth in just 8 minutes, whereas the other stars take many years, several years to give their lights, and so that their lights could reach to the earth's surface, and that is why we could not easily see them. Fine, they are just visible as the dots in the sky. Now, there are several stars in the sky. You could see them in the night, but all these stars are just the fractions which are present there in the sky. That means there are many more stars which you could not even see them in the sky. Why? Because they are still more far from these stars which you are easily seeing it. Fine. That means जो स्टार्स हमें दिखते हैं उनसे भी कुछ बहुत दूर और कुछ और बड़े स्टार्स भी हैं जो कि हमें दिखते भी नहीं हैं. ठीक, ये जितने स्टार्स हमें दिखते हैं वो सिर्फ कुछ हिस्सा है, कुछ फ्रैक्शंस. दे आर जस्ट द फ्रैक्शंस व्हिच यू कुड इजीली सी इन द स्काई. फाइन. नाउ these stars also have their lifetime, life cycle. इनकी भी कुछ life cycle होती है. They have their particular life cycle, and this life cycle is what they then they grow there to their middle ages, and then they die. Fine. Sun is also a star, so sun has also its life cycle, and till date it has completed its half. It is assumed that it has completed its half of the life cycle, and for 500 million years more it is going to give us the light and heat which will support us in every manner. So till then the sun is there in the solar system and we are going to get benefits from it. Now all these stars are of different shapes and different sizes. Different sizes, why? Because these are the celestial bodies and they are just formed from the gases and the dust particles. Fine. So these are formed with the help of the gases that are present in our surrounding in the atmosphere, and these have different sizes. The biggest biggest stars are known as the giant stars, which are much more bigger than the sun also, and the smallest one are smaller than the Jupiter planet even. Fine. So there are different sizes present in the sky, and all these stars are of different sizes. Fine. Now we move on to our next topic, which is the universe. Now what is this universe? Whatever things you see in this world or around yourself, whether it is living or non-living, everything is considered as the universe. Fine. the sun, the earth, the planets, the sky, the moon, the living beings, that is we, the animals, plants, everything which you could see, and even the things which you could not see, which are in space, all these things are covered under the universe. That means everything is covered under the universe. Fine. Now, in this universe, we have nebula. Nebula is something which creates the stars. Nebula is what? Something which creates the stars. That is why it is also known as the mother of stars. Now, how does it create the stars? With the reactions of the different gases and the dust particles. With the fusion of the gases and the dust particles, it creates the stars, and that is why these stars are known as the balls of gases and dust particles. Fine. Now, what are these stars? These stars are the part of celestial bodies. Which, what do you mean by celestial bodies? The bodies which are there in the solar system. Fine. Now, these stars are present there, and these stars are the formation of hot gases and the dust particles which is there in the solar system, one of which is the sun, which is closer to us and we take benefits from it. Fine. So, these were the two things which we studied under universe. Now, further in the next video, we are going to again continue with the same topic, universe, under which we are going to study several other things, and you will come to know with many new names and many new things. Fine. Till then, revise this part of the lesson, and as I have said, revise the history and civics also. Fine. Thank you, students. Stay safe and be at home.